Professional, and today we are making PIEK SEN. I would say is chicken noodle soup meets udon. You get a full flavor of everything, and you know how rotisserie chicken tastes amazing, but imagine in it in a soup is just really good. And then you can mix it any way you want. The more spicier you make it, the better it tastes. Let's go over the stuff that we're gonna need. So this is PIEK SEN. What this is a rice flour that is almost like a udon type of taste to it. It's really good. So this PIEK SEN you can buy in any Laotian store. For those who are from different states, please list all the Lao stores that other people can get PIEK noodles. If not, YouTube it. There's a bunch of tutorials out there that can teach you how to make it. I don't have time to be making this myself, so I just buy it. I'm a guy, so we like convenience. I'm not gonna make spaghetti noodles from hand or from scratch. When I buy it. Just kidding, just kidding. If I have more time, I'll definitely make it by hand. Okay? In order to get the broth of PIEK SEN, you definitely need some sort of chicken. Use whole chicken that I recommend because you get the flavor of everything. Now, if you don't have whole chicken, you can use chicken breast, chicken thighs, drumsticks. I'm using about 4 pounds. Start by adding the whole chicken into the boiling pot. I have a little bit of salt here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that into my boiling pot of water. The pot is boiling, so that is time to go ahead and start the cooking process for the chicken. So just slowly put that in. So we got that boiling right now. The chicken's in the pot boiling. We're gonna wait for that to cook up, and once it's done, we're gonna shred it. Add ginger and lemongrass into the soup. Lemongrass, like this. It's maximum of this. This could be used as a weapon. No, just kidding. Lemongrass is a full of flavor when I crisscross it. Here. I'm gonna put this in the soup. Tie a little knot. We're gonna go ahead and add the lemongrass and the ginger into the soup. Just carefully put in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add MSG. Chicken stock. And add the fish sauce. You can see that the residues are here, so you just kind of like scoop them out as you go, and that will get rid of, make the soup more clear. Like this. Scoop it all out gently. Get rid of the residue. That's how it plays out. Cut up all my onions, all my cilantro. I have the noodles here. I have my bean sprouts. The toppings are all done. We're just waiting for the chicken to be done, and then momentarily we're going to be doing the fun part, which is to shred them. The chicken has been boiling for a while, and what I did is add more water. You want to keep adding more water.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it away. Tonight, we gonna let it away. Tonight, we gonna let it away. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it away.
I boil mine is because I want to get rid of the flour, because that's going to cause the soup to be too thick. I don't want that. I want a good consistency. I like mine where it's a little bit more soupy and a little bit thick. That's why I don't cook it all the way. Now everybody makes it differently. Alright, here comes the fun part. I just finished washing my hands. Sanitation is such a big thing. You don't want to cross-contaminate. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the chicken and we're gonna put in a big bowl. Look at this. My goodness, it's cooked. We're gonna shred this into bite-sized pieces, put it back in the pot. However, in the meantime, we want this to cool down. Like these pieces, you can make it smaller or big. Just kind of break them all apart. It's gonna be lighter meat and darker meat. Honestly, you can whip them into this bite-sized pieces or smaller. Is really up to you. But I don't want to make it too small because they break apart inside the soup. So I kind of do like where it's bite-sized pieces. Keep in mind you'll be eating this. And if you want, you cut it into like chicken strip pieces and eat it that way if you want. So there's really no right or wrong way. We're gonna continue doing this until you're all done with this, and we're gonna put it back into the soup, and we should be done. So this is what you kind of get after, you know, whipping it into pieces. You get a like dark meat and light meat and some of the fat. It's gonna be so full of flavor. Maybe you can use a fork to shred the chicken, but I love to use my hands. My friend says it tastes better. My hands. For some reason, my fingers makes it taste better. Just joking. I'm using a glove. Bad joke. Add the chicken in there. Oh God, look at this, so beautiful. Look at this. We're gonna fry the garlic and put it on the in the soup. These are optional. The game changer. Of course, this is optional. This is my secret recipe. I love garlic. It's time to add my bad boys.